class, question number 5 is, which congruence criterion do you use in the following? So the first question is, they gave you two figures where your AC equal to DE. So AC equal to DE, BC equal to EF, BC equal to EF, and AB equal to DF. So AB equal to DF. It means, class, the three side of this triangle equal to the three side of this triangle. So side criteria is here. In third one, angle MLN equal to angle FGH. MLN, suppose this angle is X, so angle FGH is also X. NML, suppose this is angle Y, so that is equal to GFH, so that is equal to Y, and ML equal to GF, ML equal to GF. So class, now you have two angle and one side, and your angle is here, then your side is here, and then your angle is here. So angle, side, angle is your criteria. So you can do question number 2nd and 4th by your own. In question number 6, in the following figure, state the condition you would use to show that triangle ABC and CDE are congruent. So this is figure for question number 6. Here class, you can see AC equal to EC, side equal to side. First you understand where is your triangle ABC and CDE. This is your triangle ABC and this is your triangle CDE. So class, this triangle is congruent with this triangle. We have to prove this. So by which criteria we have to prove this? This side equal to this side. So AC equal to CE, one side is equal. BC equal to CD, this side is equal to this side, and class, this angle is equal to this angle vertically opposite angle. Angle ACB equal to angle ECD, vertically opposite angle. So by which criteria you can find that these two triangles are congruent? Side, angle, side. So by side, angle, side, we can say these two triangles are congruent. Side, angle, side. Question number 8, you can do by your own. I will take question number 9. In this figure, TS parallel PQ, this is figure for question number 9. TS parallel to PQ and TS equal to PQ. So TS 5 cm, PQ 5 cm. Prove that triangle PQR and STR. It means this triangle and this triangle is congruent. We have to prove this. So how we prove this? So class, here they gave you TS parallel PQ and TS equal to PQ 5 cm and 5 cm. So we have to prove PQR is congruent with STR. So PQR is congruent with STR. So how we prove that? We all know these two are parallel line. So angle TSR equal to angle QPR, because these two are alternate angle. So class, this angle is equal to this angle P. We all know these two angles are alternate angle, because when you have a parallel lines and if a line cut these two parallel line, we all know this is our transversal line, so it's behave like this. So this is our transversal line which cut these two parallel line. So it create two angle here and here which are alternate angle. So angle TSR equal to angle QPR. Same angle PQR. Angle PQR equal to angle STR. Again PQR equal to angle STR. Why class? Again this line behaves like transversal line and these two are parallel line. So this angle equal to this angle, again alternative angle. So this angle equal to this angle. So this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and this side equal to this side. So class, angle, side, angle is there which are equal. So your triangle PQR is congruent with STR by angle, side, angle. So class, you can do question number 10 by your own, and question number 11 is triangle DEF congruent with STU. So DEF is congruent with STU and find angle S and angle T. So class, this is your 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. It means this side is equal to this side, and now we have to find angle T and angle S. So for that class, it's very important, this 5 centimeter, if this 5 centimeter is your base, then the right side of this 5 centimeter is 50 degree. So in this figure you have to take it as base. So this angle, the right side of this 5 centimeter is 50 degree and the left side is 80 degree. So this is your 80 degree. So angle T is 50 degree and angle S is 80 degree. So it's important class, the left hand side and the right hand side angle should be same. So here also your angles are same now. So this is your 50 degree angle T and this is your angle S, 80 degree. And class, you can do question number 12 and 13 by your own. Very simple questions are there. So try to solve by your own.